I'm Teacher Mike, and today we are talking about the word grab. The basic meaning of the word grab is to do this. At first, I wasn't holding the marker, but now I am holding the marker. And my action was fast and strong. I grabbed the marker. And let's take just one moment to quickly look at the pronunciation. The base form of the verb is grab. The past tense form is grabbed. The E is silent. We go straight from the B sound into the D sound. Bd, bd, grabbed. But when I said I grabbed the marker, we didn't hear the D sound very clearly. Because the D sound and the TH sound in the are a bit similar, we connect them. We start to make the D sound, but then we don't let it come out. Grab, and we stop the D sound there. Then we continue into the TH sound. Grab the. Grab the. I grabbed the marker. However, if I say I grabbed it, you hear the D sound very clearly. This is because when we have a D sound at the end of a word, it usually connects to the vowel sound at the beginning of the next word. It, did, grabbed it. But let's go back to the meaning. To grab something basically means to use a strong or fast action to begin holding something. I grabbed my jacket and went outside. She grabbed her daughter's arm. The police officer grabbed his gun. The child grabbed a handful of candy from the bowl. In all of those examples, I used grab as a verb, but it's also used as a noun sometimes. For example, he made a grab for my money, but he wasn't fast enough. That means he tried to grab my money. He tried to take it from me, but he was too slow. And in informal speech, we often use grab to mean get or buy. We often use this for invitations and when asking someone to do something for us. And here, using the word grab does two things. One, it tells the other person that this is an informal situation. It's not something very serious. Two, it tells the person that we don't expect this thing to take a long time. It's probably going to be quick. We should grab lunch sometime. You want to grab a beer with me after work? Could you please grab some milk on the way home? And sometimes we talk about grabbing someone's attention. This means that something makes someone interested in something. Yesterday, someone said that my haircut grabbed their attention. They became interested in my video because they noticed that I had gotten a haircut. Good commercials grab the customer's attention. They make customers interested. They are not boring. So yeah, those are the most common ways that we use the word grab. Thank you for watching. And if you're interested in more videos like this one, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notifications.